Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Another air fryer from Silvercrest, fries with little to no oil or fat, with 1000 watts power consumption and maximum capacity 230 grams French fries. Affordable price only 29 euros. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. With a cable length 1 meter, and definitely it is small. And here we can see some of the cooking times for each ingredients. At the back we have the storage for the cable, the gap that you need to have between the wall and the air fryer, and of course here we have the temperature control, minimum 80, 120, 160 and 200 degrees Celsius the maximum. I can hear the click. Red LED operating lamp is always lit when timer is on. And the timer for setting the cooking time. And you can hear the timer. 0 to 30 minutes. And with a sound when it ends. And another green LED here for operating temperature is always lit when the set temperature is reached. And of course we have the basket. Wow, that is a small basket. And here it is the screen assembly. You can wash it. We have in these soft elements at the four corners. So small basket. The frying basket capacity, it is 2 liters approximately, and only 230 grams for frozen chips. Max, it says here. About the air fryers, you can never use the maximum capacity of the basket. So it says only 2 liters, you can use about 250 grams of frozen fries. Perfect, and it locks. Plastic. Small, cute and portable. We have some soft elements here, ventilation, and at the back we have the ventilation. Definitely this air fryer, it is only for one person, without a doubt. So let's move on for testing, see how it works. And here inside we can see the fan and the heating element. Since this is the first time that I'm using this air fryer, I will use it about 20 minutes without any food inside. Maximum 200 degrees Celsius, 20 minutes. And we can hear in the fan the ticking from the timer. And done. A little bit I can smell the plastic. 230 grams potatoes, frozen. (180 degrees Celsius) for 17 minutes. And after 6 minutes, we can check the process, shake it a little bit. And restart the cooking. Unfortunately, the timer, it will not stop when you will remove the basket. As you can hear, it's keep working. Only it will stop the heating element, the temperature control and the fan. And one last check before the end. We have another 6 minutes. Shake it. And when the temperature is reached, the LED indicator here, it will switch off. And again on when the temperature is rising. And done. Wow, well cooked. And now it's time for the chicken. Raw chicken. 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. And again, I will check the cooking process. Now let's take a look. Nice. Maybe you can rotate the chicken. Beautiful. Finish. Easy to clean. Well done. I like it. And next, boiled eggs. Definitely you can fit 6 eggs here, only 5 right now. 120 to 130 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Done. Okay. And I need to put them on a cold water. Wow, it's hot. Oh my God. That's how I can peel the eggs better. I really like how simple it is to operate and how quickly it cooks food with that crispy finish, all while using little to no oil. If you are cooking for one or you are tight on counter space, this is a fantastic little workhorse. It heats up almost instantly, and because it's a smaller basket, that 1000 watts of power circulates heat incredibly efficiently. It's perfect for that middle eye price point, only 29 euros, giving you crispy results without the bulk or the high energy bill of a full-sized oven. It's proof that don't need to spend a fortune to get into the air frying game. If this video helped you decide, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more kitchen gadget reviews and cooking tests. Thanks for watching, happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next one.